Today is May 28, 2019, and I have been waiting for this day for over a year. This is a very special Mova Globe unboxing and review. So at last they have released planet Uranus. So let's get right into the unboxing. Materials. The stand, the crystal stand. Oh no, brown paper again. This stuff is so hard to remove. I'll have to do that off camera later. Hopefully they fix the brown paper issue. Oh my gosh. It's not even unwrapped and I can see it. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Oh wow. Such a pretty blue. It's like a budgie blue. And you can see it says 4.5 inch Mova Globe Uranus. So here is the new Mova Globe Uranus planet, released for the first time this year in 2019. Recently came out this month in May, and I'm very excited to be one of the first people to get to own one of these. It's very beautifully done, and I have been waiting for this planet for a very long time. Last year, in 2018, I had contacted Mova and asked them if there was going to be a Uranus in the collection because all the planets were there except this one, and it's just wrong to not have all the planets. The collection was incomplete. And they wrote me and they told me that they were working on it. And I even got some pre-production photos sent of the artwork that they had for this. And at the time, they were trying to figure out a way to make it spin on its side because Uranus, unlike the other planets, doesn't spin vertically on its axis. It kind of rolls around the sun on its side. But with the way that the magnets are placed inside and the solar panels and the rest of the mechanics, there was no way it could work. And eventually it got to the point that I didn't care, and I think a lot of people didn't care anymore. It would have been really cool to have had it rolling sideways, but there was just no way that it could have been done. So having an upright planet is better than having no planet at all. But the problem was that it was supposed to have been released last year in 2018, and 2018 came and went and no planet. What was going on? Later on I found out that Mova makes new globes and designs based on requests. Genuine requests that are serious about buying a new product. So I guess they got enough requests besides my own. I know there are a lot more people that were not happy about their collections being incomplete. So at last, here it is, and I love the color. It's really beautiful. You can see all the little clouds on there in the southern hemisphere, and each Mova Globe has a unique stamp underneath that says when it was made. I'll show that. So here is the stamp that is placed on the south pole of all the planets. My planet's birthday is July 23rd, 2018. So for me, I'm also very happy because this is my first outer planet. I hadn't expected to get one of the outer planets and the gas giants so quickly. I was actually saving them for last. But the reason that I got it was because I was one of the most vocal ones saying, I'll buy one as soon as you guys get one. So it just seemed wrong that they finally did it and released it, and I'd be like, I'll wait around. So No, I definitely, as soon as I heard that it was released, I got it right away. Had to get it right away. Let's sneak that little black dot, I think, is the shadow of one of Uranus's moons. Now here's some interesting facts about the planet. Uranus is the 7th planet from our sun. It was first discovered by telescope in 1781 by William Herschel. Uranus has 27 moons, and its center is a frozen mass of ammonia. And, of course, as we know, it rotates on its side and has an axial tilt of 97 degrees. So I'll let you guys enjoy this view of the planet for a bit. Here is Uranus next to my Earth, and I actually have them too close together. You shouldn't put two Mova globes any closer than 12 inches. They're about 11 inches, and Uranus is spinning, but it is going much slower than the Earth, as you can see here. Now, as you can obviously tell as well, like I said, blue and turquoise is my favorite color, and my room is very blue, what I call a budgie blue. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this new planet in my room because it kind of is camouflaged in here and vanishes and you wouldn't be able to see anything. So I may move it somewhere else, and since the Earth is a darker blue, I'll keep that one in here.